Hey guys, how are you all doing today? Today I'll be showing you my beginner route to Whomps Fortress. If you're looking for more details with complicated tricks, I'll leave the full 70-star document in the description. You'll first see the routing to Whomps and B.O.B at first hand. Afterwards we'll play each star one at a time to explain how we collect it.
Let's go! Here we go! Let's go! Here we go! Let's go! Here we go! Here we go! Let's 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 go! Here we go!
So that was Whomps Beginner Performed. There's a lot of time saves that we can use to reduce the time. I'll go through those in a bit more detail. First, wait for the 50 seconds for the opening cutscene. Once you gain control of Mario, make your way up to the castle. When you get to the castle, you'll be forced to speak to Lakitu. Go through all the dialogue, and then make your way towards the left door. If you're feeling confident, you can perform a trick that is known as Lakitu Skip. There's a few variations of it, but I think the best one to practice is your basic 2 long jumps. Begin by long jumping towards the tree as marked on the screen, and then you want to perform 2 long jumps. When performing these 2 long jumps, you want to make sure you're in the exact position, being half on the bridge and half off the bridge. There's a small margin of error for this, so make sure you're right in the middle. Another important factor when doing Lakitu Skip is your angle. You want to make sure your angle is flat against the castle. This is because it's easy to do a long jump on a long strip rather than a tight little spot. Lakitu Skip tends to take many attempts to get down, so don't stress if you can't get it in the first few tries. Now that you're in the castle, quickly make your way towards B.O.B painting. Now that you're in, select the first star. Once you're in, press C down and C left to get the right angle. Now all you have to do is perform some well-timed long jumps and dives up until you get to the chain chomp. Once you get there, stop in front of him and wait for him to pounce. Now all you need to do is run around him and ground pound the pole 3 times. Doing this will cause the chain chomp to break the cage. And now all you need to do is go ahead and pick up the star. If you're looking to save some free time, I would recommend doing bomb skip. To perform bomb clip, you want to do the following steps. First, you want to pick up the bomb. Do a short hop with the bomb heading towards the left. You want to jump again right afterwards. Just after you jump, you want to press B to throw the bomb. Once you land on the ground, turn around and pick up the bomb. You want to pick up the bomb as late as possible. This way the bomb can be as large as it can possibly be. If done correctly, you should pick up a bunch of speed and move towards the cage in the opposite direction that you're currently facing. When you get to the cage, align Mario so he's flat against the cage, and then press B to throw the bomb. Now go ahead and pick up the star. When performing bomb skip, you want to keep two things in consideration. First, you need to make sure you pick up the bomb as late as possible. This is since the larger the bomb, the more speed you'll pick up. As you can currently see on the screen, the larger bomb is currently moving a lot faster than the smaller bomb. Second, you need to make sure your back is flat against the cage. If both these criteria are not met, you will not successfully perform bomb clip. Next, you want to perform a long jump out of the room and make your way towards Whomps Fortress. Head towards the door and give the door the star you just collected. Once you've entered the room, proceed to long jump into the painting. Select Chips of the Whomps block and enter the level. As you enter the level, go through the dialogue that comes up. Long jump into the tree, see right, jump dive. When you get up on the ledge, do some well-timed dives to make your way around the level. Now you want to do a side jump wall kick as shown on the screen up onto the platform to go collect the star. There is an easier wall kick method, which is just to the left where you wall kicked. Next, go through the dialogue and re-enter the stage. Long jump into the tree, see left and jump dive up to collect the coins. Dive off onto the water and pick up the circle ring of coins. Make your way here over the ledge, do a long jump and jump dive up to grab the red coin. On your way across, be sure to grab the 5 coins at the bottom and then make your way down to the blue switch. Ground pound the blue switch, collect all your coins and make your way back to the ledge again. Long jump up the slope and start to perform silly kicks by holding onto A and pressing B repetitively. If you just missed the platform, you can do 2 things. First thing is head around to the Whomp, kill it and collect the 5 coins. If you're feeling a bit more confident, jump onto the other platform and kill the plant. Collect the red coin and then head back to pick up the blue coin to make your way back to the platform before it starts its new cycle. Sit tight and just let the platform pick up all the coins for you. At the end, kill the plant with a dive, get the red coin and side flip back to get the blue coin again. Carefully cross the small plank, then head down past the collapsing bridge towards the plant. Dive to kill the plant whilst picking up the red coin and then pick up the blue coin as it drops. Now side jump wall kick up to the top where marked on the screen. Once you're at the top, do some careful jumps to collect all the coins. Once here, do a careful air kick back on top of the Whomp and then dive down to pick up the red coin at the bottom. This here will spawn the star. Leave the star for now and run around and collect the coins at the bottom. When you're done, head back to the other side and pick up all the coins at the ledge. This should spawn the 100 coin star. Pick it up and then go down and pick up the other star. If you need more coins, there's 3 coins in this box and 5 coins in the plant over here. Hit save and re-enter the level. Now it's time to kill Whomps. Long jump into the tree, see left, jump dive, and perform jump dives up to the top. When you get to the top area, do a triple jump wall kick up to the platform. Long jump to Big Whomp to start the fight. The fight's rather easy. All you need to do is do well-timed ground pounds through him 3 times. Keep in mind that you need to be close to the base of his feet to fall through him. Something worth noting is that if you can manage to perform your final ground pound in the correct spot, the star will spawn on top of you. Doing this will allow you to pick up the star right away. Jump back into the painting whenever you're ready. You want to follow the same movement as you did earlier, but the top will look a little bit different this time. Once you get to the platform, long jump over. Head to the left side of the tower and wall kick up to the top. Let the platform take you to the top. Jump up and collect the star. Once again, go through the dialogue, re-enter. This time when you enter the tree, just make sure you get to the top. This here will spawn on owl. Go through the dialogue and then jump up on him holding onto A. Once you're at the top, you'll have to use your analog stick to control the owl. You want to go over the cage and then ground pound at the top of the star. This will help you consistently collect the star. Anyone who's aware of the speedrun community will know of the trick Owlers. I recommend that you guys do not begin to learn this, as it has very complex movements and does not pay off the 5 seconds that you save. However, to those interested, I'll leave a setup in the description. Go through the dialogue one last time and then re-enter the level. Long jump to the tree, see right, and then jump up. You'll see a bomb has spawned. Go up and talk to him. This should spawn the cannon. Just jump into it whenever you're ready. You want to fire the cannon anywhere towards the top right corner of this wall. As you can see, this will blast away the wall. Now you want to re-enter the cannon one last time. You want to aim your cannon in between these 2 coins as shown on the screen. Fire and go grab the star. Learning a trick named Catalyst will help you save 30 seconds if you're interested. This trick will allow you to pick up the star without needing to talk to the bomb, spawn the cannon, hop into the cannon, fire against the wall, re-enter the cannon to finally shoot back into the star again. Keep in mind that you want to perform this trick as soon as you enter Whomps. This is because if you make a mistake, it's very easy to reset again. First, slowly walk off the ledge. Ideally, you want to aim between these 2 spots. Press A to get up, perform a backflip, and press C left twice to change your angle. Press B to perform a single box and slowly walk off the ledge. And now you want to press C right and then C left to correct your angle. Press up left and then immediately hold down. This should drop you straight into the star. I have all steps to perform Catalyst on the screen at the moment. This is so you can use it as a reference as you practice. Speedrunning isn't easy, especially a game and category with such a high skill cap such as Super Mario 64. Make sure to practice the level a few times, and then I'll see you next at Bowser in the Sky and Cool Mountain.